Hello my craft friends, welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. If you're new here, my name's Tracy and this video is a little bit different than what I usually do. I usually do DIY and craft videos, but this one is craft related in that I purchased some adorable craft supplies at Hobby Lobby and a couple other places that I wanted to share with you just in case you wanted to make these DIYs as well. Because I've noticed in the stores like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, I've noticed that the craft supplies are really selling out quickly this year. Most years they'll have them right up until Christmas. Sometimes they'll even make it to the 90% off sale, which is kind of crazy, and that's when I like to pick mine up. But this year, that's not going to happen. So I decided to go ahead and purchase mine. It's 50% off. Maybe that's why they're going so quickly, because they had that sale so soon in the season. But anyway, I picked up some adorable craft supplies, and I wanted to share them with you guys because I'm going to be using them in upcoming videos. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so, because that way you'll be reminded in your home page that I have a new video using these craft supplies. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I know some people call these hauls, which I hate that term. I do not like it. It drives me bananas. But so I'm going to call mine a craft supply purchase. Okay. Anyway, one of the first things that I wanted to pick up was some of this fabric from Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, check out that fabric. Do you not love it? Oh, I love it. I can't wait to make the DIYs I have planned with this fabric. So you need to pick some of this up. My next thing is going to be, now this isn't from Hobby Lobby, this is from Amazon, but you can get them at other places like Walmart, Target. You can get them at places like that. But I purchased mine off of Amazon because they had a better deal. But these are the wool dryer balls. You guys, you have to get these. This is going to be the best DIY ever. I can't wait to make these. Next, we're going to have these cute little, what are they calling these? Wood trees. And they interlock with each other. But what I was thinking is I'm going to do something different with them, and they're interlocking. Because what I was going to do is actually cut out the tree and do all the little slashes and dashes and everything. And I thought, why would I do that when I can just pick these up? So hopefully that works out. And I got 2 packs of those. Next, I purchased, staying in the wood kind of theme, I got these cute little wood ornaments. They're so cute. And it comes in a variety. You see the little cute styles they have. I think they're so cute. So we have some fun DIYs planned with those. And keeping in the ornament kind of wood theme is these ornaments here. And they're calling it Ornament Kit. So it has the little markers with it. I'm probably not going to be using the markers, but it has 2025 on it. But we're going to totally redo this whole thing. You're not even going to know this said 2025. Okay, now our next wood pieces, keeping in the ornament theme, is I purchased some of these wood, they're calling them round ornaments, and they're just made of wood. They're so cute. And then these snowflake ornaments, which I think are adorable. And I purchased 2 packs of those. So hopefully my pile doesn't tumble over here. Now our next supply that I purchased, and I purchased 3 of these, and they are the wood, little tiny wood snowflakes. And I have a cute idea planned for those. So I got 3 boxes of those. All right, and then our next one is, this is so cute. I've seen these every year. They call them wood reindeer. I mean, hello. They're wood reindeer. But anyway, so I'm going to do something cute with this little kit. Yeah, I think they're cute. Like when I was younger, when I was a kid, and you know what? I think I should make those this year, but we really don't have that good of logs down here in Florida. But you used to make the log reindeer with the little stick legs and the stick neck and the little log head, and then the antlers made of sticks. Those are so cute. I should make some of those. I think I want to. But anyways, that's what gave me the idea to use these. So we're going to try and do something adorable with these. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that turns out. Now our next wood thing is this cute little stocking. How cute is this little wood stocking? I think it is so cute. All right, so we're gonna move on from that. I also purchased some of these wood tags, which I think are adorable. And you can use these, oh, sorry guys, there's the front of it. And you can use these for anything, ornaments, you can use them for packages like they're intended. And you can add them to DIYs, you know, larger DIYs that need like a little tag or some kind of little, you know, embellishment. Next I got this, which is kind of not wood, obviously, but it's these gold flakes. I think they're so pretty. And I wanted to experiment with gold flakes, but I didn't want to commit to this giant thing of gold flakes that cost like, you know, $100. It's not $100, but you know what I'm saying. It's like way too much of an investment to just sit in my craft closet till eternity until I say, I don't need this anymore. So I got a package of that, which I can't wait to implement these into some DIYs I have planned as well. And then next I got these little decals. They're called cold press. I keep squinting because I can't see without my glasses, but my glasses have such a reflection. It's crazy. I'll show you my glasses. It's like, where are her eyes? I don't even know. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, you can't even see like my eyes. But anyways, so that's why I'm squinting to see. But these are the cold press decals, and they're the little gingerbread men, and I think they are so cute. I can't wait to do this DIY. And next I picked up some of this cute little like candy cane red and white twine, which, you know, you always need red and white twine at Christmas. I don't care who you are, you just need it. And I also picked up some fleece. Well, this isn't fleece, it's felt. Anyway, I picked up felt in 3 different colors from Hobby Lobby. Okay, now our next supply is these little paper covered ornaments. And I think they are adorable, and obviously I purchased them from Hobby Lobby. Let me show you the tag here. And that's what the ornaments say. And they come in 2 different shapes, the round and then this one. I think, you know what they need to do next year? They need to make like a one like this, but like a shape. You know what I'm saying? Like the long finial ones. Oh yeah, now we're talking. But anyways, I can't wait to do the DIYs with these. I also purchased some of these beaded gift tags, these little mini beaded gift tags, and I think they are adorable. I can't wait to do the DIYs with these. I also picked up this little wood round with the live edge. Now I got this one from Walmart, but they have them at Hobby Lobby, which are actually much more affordable at the Hobby Lobby, and they're thicker. They're really nice pieces. So I might pick up some of those, but I wanted to show you this one because I'm gonna pick some other ones up to do DIYs, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So cute. And then I guess that's probably the final thing, and that's going to be these acrylic ornaments. They're round acrylic ornaments. They are so cute. I can't wait to make my DIYs with them. And I also picked up some pink vinyl from Michaels. Now you can get this pink vinyl anywhere, but I picked this up from Michaels to use on one of the DIYs, and I'm going to be using it in an interesting way, not your typical vinyl way, so you want to stay tuned for that. Also, I know this really isn't like a part of the whole crafting thing, but I wanted to tell you guys that if you craft it all and you can afford under $20, this mat, this silicone mat, I'm telling you, it is a life changer. It saves all your surfaces. Like say you have kids and they love to craft, or grandkids and they love to craft, you just whip out these little things, put them on the table, and they can craft away without you worrying that they're going to damage your brand new table or your heirloom table or whatever kind of surface it is. You don't want them damaging. And for me, actually, I'm like the worst to just start crafting and then think about the consequences of crafting with Rub and Buff on a wood surface, which is not good. So when I purchased this, it changed the game of crafting for me. And I'll have a link for it in my listing and in my first comment there, just so you guys can pick one up. Now, obviously, I'm not making any money on it, but I think it helps you guys, and that's what I'm here to do, is help you craft. Also, I wanted to show you something that I've been working on, and I think they turned out so adorable. Now, if you don't know, I have another Etsy shop that's separate from my Sweet Bay Lane that I've had for, I think it's like, I want to say 16 years or something. I've been on Etsy 16 years. Oh, gosh. That's long. Anyway, and I sell beach-related things. Like I sell wedding stuff, bridal hair pieces, Christmas ornaments related to beach theme, just a bunch of different home decor for beach-related themes, beach home decor, whatever. And I made these cute little seashell ornaments. I think they turned out adorable. Now, I didn't film it. I'm sorry, guys. If you want me to film it, I'll be happy to film like another set that I make. But I think they turned out so cute, and I thought I'd just show you guys to give you ideas. If maybe you have a beach lover in your life and you want to make them some cute little ornaments. I think they turned out so cute. So anyway, oh boy, it didn't break. It's a seashell. So anyway, that wraps it up for our craft supply purchase haul, dare I say. I hate that word. Anyway, so make sure you subscribe because I am so excited for the ideas I have for these. So fingers crossed they turn out. But anyways, that wraps it up for this one, and I can't wait to see you on Sunday to see which supplies we use. So until next time, make sure and keep it crafty.